Hello, James Waldridge from the Fleet Safety Academy here in York with another Fleet Risk Management Nugget. I hope you can take these best practice pieces of advice and use them to keep your vehicles and your drivers in one piece. A huge shortcut to stopping vehicle collisions is to have regular interactions with your employees who drive for work. In some organisations, if a driver isn't causing a problem of any type, they don't have a meaningful conversation with their manager in weeks or even months. If that individual is feeling stressed over something in or outside work, it could affect their driving standards, and the first anybody might know about this is when a collision occurs. So interaction with your drivers is key. There are lots of opportunities to create interactions with drivers on fleet safety issues. These touch points need to happen on a regular basis. They need to be relevant to driving and topical, and they can really move forward your risk management program. Providing positive feedback, delivering a toolbox talk, carrying out a highway code style eyesight check, they're all good touch points. They remind your driver that your organisation has driving standards to meet. Of particular value is the one-to-one meeting. I know it's a simple concept, but they work really well. Yes, they take time, but they build trust and engagement, and they reduce staff turnover. The process also gets your manager improving their communication skills, and they'll be better at supporting the driving performance of your employees as a result. Make sure you hold these meetings regularly. Don't cancel them. You'll send the impression that they aren't important, but do reschedule them. I can't tell you how often to hold these meetings because it depends on your span of supervisory control, but surely you can hold them at least once a month. Here are some tips for managers to consider when carrying out a one-to-one discussion. First of all, talk about driving topics, keep them current, and give feedback on the driving performance of the employee. Number two, truly listen to what's being said. That way trust and respect can be built. Number three, share personal experiences as a way of encouraging your direct report to share what's really on their mind. You might be told about personal issues that could affect driving competence. Number four, be open to feedback. That way you can improve your management style. Number five, prepare a few things to discuss. These could include what journeys are causing issues right now, the driver's progress towards their goals, what the individual likes or dislikes about the driving role, the vision of your organisation in terms of fleet safety. They're just a few examples. There are lots of topics to talk about. If you want a few more ideas, join the Fleet Safety Academy. Go to fleetsafetyacademy.co.uk for more details. Thank you.